Hi everyone, Darko here for your weekly trade example for the week ending Friday the 24th of June 2022. What I'll be talking in this video is the trade management of the actual trade that I pointed out in advance for some week ago. Okay, so this was a pending order. The reasons behind this trade were explained in great detail in my previous video. Okay, so this is a monthly ACAT. This was the fill. Okay, so we got filled within this red candle, and this is how price is doing right now. So how do you trade manage this? Well, there are several options. Okay, my long-term bias is still up, nothing has changed. Okay, and as long as we are not breaching this monthly ACAT, the lowest point of this monthly ACAT, I wouldn't be doing much right now, because price did not move up long enough to take any thing off. It's obviously always an option to take something off in here, but the risk reward doesn't make sense. Okay, things might change along the way that makes you take something off, because things that you didn't realize or see, or maybe external things happening around the world, or maybe a big red flag news is around the corner, whatever that might be, and then you might do something about the trade. Okay, or the other option is actually you can trail your stop loss. With trading your stop loss is once you get a reaction. Unfortunately, this reaction was deeper than expected. It's a different story if price comes in here and do this. Now you move your stop loss from here down to here. Okay, in this specific case, this low is not much higher than this low, slightly higher. Okay, that means if you trail your stop loss from here to here, it doesn't make any sense, to be honest with you, because I would rather just leave it in here, because price could very well do something like this. So in order to not get stopped out and price goes in your direction, I would just leave it in here. But if price was like reacting very close to the level that we were pointing out, that's a different story. Then now it's make a big sense. Now you all of a sudden this is a huge risk reducing. Okay, so even if price do this, it will be a reduced loss and not a full loss. And this is the thing with trading. You cannot affect, we cannot, affect the market, and the market is doing what the market wants to do. So you need to adjust along the way. And there are always, like, I always present two valid options to trade manage, and it's up to you and your risk appetite how you want to risk manage that specific trade. Okay. So basically in this trade is that you could just leave it alone with your original stop loss, and if this goes down, well, just take a full loss. Nothing wrong with that. We actually took a full loss on one of the pairs that we were trading. We had like 8 pending orders. Okay, and that happens. So most of the times we are taking reduced losses, and sometimes we take full losses. A full loss is 0.5% of your trading account. That means one trade won't make you or break you. Okay, so this is the thing that I'm doing with my trading service, is that I read price in front of my clients. I show actual pending orders only for educational purposes, to see how can you build your brain or form your brain to see these things before they happens, not after the fact. And then once we get filled, I turn the pre-market analysis videos into a trade management videos, and then the third video will always be like, hey, you know what, we took a win, TP1, TP2, or we took a reduced win, or we took a reduced loss, or we took a full loss, and I say I won't be covering this pair anymore because this trade is over. And then we just move on to the next episode by searching for a new trading opportunity. So that's basically my service, and I'm providing 2 PMAs a week, and we are position trading and swing trading. And obviously everything that I teach you how to read price like a professional trader, those are the knowledge is applicable on any trading styles of your preference. You could be micro scalping, you could be scalping, day trading, obviously swing trading and position trading. So yeah, the advanced market flow, the language of the market is the same, and it's up to you how much time and stress, you want to involve yourself in your trading. If you have lots of obligations, well, maybe scalping is not your cup of tea. It's just too stressful. Or maybe you want to spend more time with your family or your loved ones, or just have more spare time. Or maybe swing trading and position trading might be more suitable for you than short-term trading. And there are people who wants to be a short-term trader regardless. Well, that's an option as well. Okay. That's it. I want to keep this short and to the point. And if you are interested in our service, feel free to search for forexmentor.com/cc/join. And if you have any further questions, send those to Vic. That's Vic Noble at forexmentor.com, and he will get back to you as soon as possible. I wish you a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you next Friday. Cheers.